real. Fake does not do that.
Too much.
Hey guys, it's SHIRAAZ and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am trying to debunk a myth that says all girls want to have big boobs. So I'm going to ask someone today. So, hello. Amobology. Amorphology. Amorphology. Shoki. Is it true? Do people really struggle?
People struggle with big boobs.
Like for real?
It's a struggle. I must say, it's a really bad struggle.
Why people just look at you or you just think you're beautiful?
There's so many. No. It's not about people. It's about me. There's so many things that come with having big boobs that people don't realize. Everyone's like, oh, I love big boobs. No.
Really?
No. You don't want this.
Because every time I hear that, it's always like, oh, women want to have bigger boobs. Right? Like, they just want to have plastic surgery, make them increase.
I do get men, even women too, like as I'm walking down the street, men and women are like literally staring at my boobs wondering if they're real or not, and I'm just like, just leave me alone, let me be. I feel like there's a good in between, you know? So I feel like if you get cosmetic surgery to get your boobs an average size, it's not bad. But if they're massive or like really big, you don't do it. Don't do it.
So are they real?
Yes, they are real. 100% natural. Got it from my mama. Shout out to my mom. Thanks, mom.
Oh my god, my mom, I don't know, like last week, she went on about how I became fat. And
where's the fat? Where's the fat? Someone please tell me, because I don't see any grand
she's like, she said it in Creole, obviously, and she used like that weird Indian word called bhadda. No idea what that is. If you guys know, please leave it in the comments below and let me know what that means, because I have no idea. And I was like, I'm not that fat. I don't have man boobs.
You're not fat at all.
Do I have? Touch it. Alright, so anyway, to kind of like understand it a little better, we came up with this thing called the 18 struggles of the big boobies. Bye, bro.
Fade away.
Number 1. Do you have a men's? Please?
Actually, wait. Hold on, let me just check. Okay. Sure. I have another flavor if you want. Like, I have so many different options. I have a pencil too. Here, I know you did.
Okay,
You sure you don't want them in?
No, I'm good, thanks. What are broads?
I didn't have one because I don't wear
What
them.
is it?
It's like, do you see like girls when they have like a lace thing, like kind of a bra under their shirts? It's like lacy.
Oh.
They only make them in like double A size. So it's like my boobs are really coming out of here, coming out of here, coming out of the bottom.
Wait, what's the size? What do you wear?
I don't really know. It's just like I wear whatever fits. So this is a 34 triple D right now.
Whoa.
But
Wait. Triple D?
Triple D. But like the
That
back
exists?
I know.
What?
Or either 34 triple D or 32G or double Gs. It depends. It depends on the maker. Depends on if my period is coming or not. There's so many factors that come into big boobs. It is so annoying.
Back straight.
Is this good?
Yeah. Good. Beautiful. Back straight.
My back hurts. Honestly, you gotta chill with it.
What are you doing? You're dead.
What? I need my bras. I can't run with these. Whose grandma is this?
What's that?
That's my boob.
Oh, sorry.
Excuse you. It's $5. 5 shots, everything for $10.
5 shots for $10.
Try for anything. I'm gonna get tequila.
But there. So you just want to go there and get drunk?
And we can be like, who's sorry guys?
No, because I'm gonna be drunk with nothing to do, and that's really boring.
But I don't mind. I go to bed. I usually go to sleep. Is this rolling?
So alright guys, that was it. 18 struggles of the big boobies.
We hope you enjoyed it and just hope you got a good view at our world. I mean my world.
Yeah, I tried that. I don't
We share the boobs.
But is it actually like that bad?
It's pretty bad.
So which one is the worst? Like boob sweats?
Boob sweat are, I think, running and crumbs. And also people touching your boobs. Literally people try they'll try their best just to get a feel. And also people that act like, oh, are those fake? Are they real? Like, are you sure about that? Like, what do you mean?
Oh
Why?
It's sure is real. Oh my god, yeah! She helped me carry a coffee table to my apartment here from like 2 blocks away. 2 guys just like turned around like rude
Savage.
people. Like, they were like this, like, and she was like, that happens all the time.
Like, it's the usual.
I have this experience that in my life.
You can literally walk outside for 5 minutes and get catcalled by like 5 different men. Even if you look ugly, like rubbish, just nonsense, you get catcalled. And it's like, why? Yeah.
Well, anyway, I hope it was a fun video. If you didn't like it, please let me know so I know what to change. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up. And I'm gonna link her Snapchat and Instagram, all the social media.
Follow me, add me, you will enjoy it, you'll have a good time.
No, it is actually really fun. But yeah, see you next time.
Thank you.
Bye.
It's SHIRAAZ. It's SHIRAAZ, and today we're talking all about titties. Oh my god!